So we have a bit of a situation here.
I put it off.
We were playing with slime and someone decided to plonk it on her head. Now I've tried a few things. I tried ice. Okay, this is not chewing gum. This is not bubble gum. Ice just softened it, I'm afraid. Yeah, I thought we'd let gravity, you know, pull it out, and it has worked. Look, see? But it's a very slow process. I put the rest of her hair in a ponytail. Hello.
Ow!
Sorry. Are you going to do this again, darling?
I want to go to school.
You don't want to go to school with this in your hair? No. I'm really hoping we don't have to cut her hair. She's got beautiful curls. I got some of it out. There's a few hairs stuck in there.
Yeah.
Yuck. Are you going to do it again? You're never going to do that again, are you? You won't put slime in your head again, will you? Well, now it's stuck on your pajamas. Oh. I think I'm making progress. You know, I'm 55 years old. I didn't think this would be how I would spend
That's on my head.
my middle age. Oh, it's on the carpet.
And
That's a lot of fun. Oh, this is so much fun.
I want to feel it. Mom, I want to feel it.
I could have coped if it was gum, because I know with gum you put ice on it, or peanut butter, or oil, and it will slide right out. But with slime, ice just made it go all slushy, but it stuck harder. And I'm reluctant. Oh, sorry, darling. Sorry. I'm reluctant to put peanut butter in because I don't want to waste the slime. Look how much I've got out now. I'm doing rather well.
How do you do that?
I'm genius, me.
How do you do that?
Give me that one. Give me that one. You see if you can pull more off.
Okay.
You're doing well. Well done.
Whoa,
nice job. Wow, your hair's going to be... I don't know if this might be a really awesome...
I get water. I'm gonna
Cool.
get water.
We might have we might have created a really awesome hair conditioner, a hair mask.
Well, I'm just gonna get water.
You did not just give yourself a moustache.
I know. I feel slime.
Yeah, very nice. Your hair is very tactile today.
I just love it. So well. Why does slime on my head? Oh, he did a burp. He did a burp.
That wasn't me. That was the dog.
Dog.
So we'll see if some more drips out before we wash it, okay? Because it's very well covered in slime there.
It's very well cozy because
So we'll let gravity do its work again and see if we can get more out.
See if we can get it out.
Yeah, good idea. Then what should we do?
We'll wash it off.
Yeah, how are we going to wash it off?
With the brush?
No, I don't think we can get the brush through there. So you can have a shower and wash your hair after we've got most of it out. But that's... wow, that feels like rubber.
Oh,
nice job there.
Let's start.
Okay, we're not going to play with slime on the carpet, darling. Let's go. We got a heap out. That's pretty impressive. I did a shout out on social media, as you do, baby wipes, and someone has said that juice box hand sanitizer works a treat. Hand sanitizer. Everyone carries hand sanitizer. I have no hand sanitizer. Okay, a friend of mine googled it for me and Right, cooking oil, which is basically the peanut butter thing for gum. I don't want to use the peanut butter though. No, did you put it on top of your hair again? It's... oh dear. We just got it off all that, darling. Right, let's try some cooking oil. Let's try some cooking oil. Okay. Oh, don't let it get in your face, Bubba. What's that doing? Is that softening it? I guess it helps, but it's still very tedious. It's kind of adding to the mess. Ew. All's well that ends well. I managed to get most of it out in the shower. So it kind of dissolved in the shower.
Can we go out now? Can we go out?
Yes, because we couldn't go out with slime in your head, could we?
Can we go out now?